Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgy, and this is EPICA. They have an album, Omega. It's out now. I did a song from this album. He says, looking at his screen, last October 2020, I think it was the first song they released off it, but at that time, the album wasn't due out until, well, now. So, and it's the end, now is the end of February, by the way, when I'm recording this. So yeah, it's out, and they, literally the day I am recording this, just released a new video from it. So, just to remind everyone. So I did Abyss of Time, which I loved. And EPICA are a class act, let's face it. So this is a song called The Skeleton Key. The video literally got released today, and I just happened to be recording today. So let's just get on with it. Let's face it, you're probably here because you already know who EPICA are. It's not working. Work.
We've all been drifting worlds apart. Can we find the lightning that shines inside our minds? Can we fight the dark side? We've all been trying to hide. The many sleepless nights, the panic that rewinds, waiting for the sunrise as paradise arrives. Unlocking all the secrets in me. I'm telling my love feelings in me.
So is this a concept album? I don't know the answer to that. But this song feels like it's part of something bigger, doesn't it? It doesn't feel like a song, doesn't feel like a standalone song. It feels like something that's somewhere halfway through the story kind of thing. EPICA are, you know, as professional as it gets. They know what they're doing. So before I listened to a single note of this, I already knew that it was going to be well crafted and very well produced and all of that sort of thing. And they never let you down kind of thing. EPICA is one of those mega professional outfits. And you've got Simone, of course, singing, and her voice is so clear. It always, she's just got this amazing clear voice. You would never need the lyrics on your screen, you know, to hear what she's singing. She's always like perfect. But it's nice that EPICA are still metal enough that to the casual listener, you know, they sound too metal almost. It's almost like yeah, you can't have this. This belongs to us, and it's just metal enough to keep you away. Those other people, you know who I'm talking about. So every time I've heard EPICA, I've always been super impressed. And as I said in the last video, which was last October, you know, I haven't heard a vast amount of EPICA. There's just too much stuff to listen to go and listen to a band's entire back catalogue. You know, there's just too much stuff, unfortunately, or fortunately, depends on how you look at it. But you know, I kind of really got on board with EPICA in their Attack on Titan album, which I just found amazing. You know, and then I heard the one in October. I've now heard this. I know they've released some songs in between, but I haven't heard them, and it just all sounds so good. It's just all so well done. It's very theatrical, and I can understand. This certainly is, and I can understand why some people might not like that, because they want a chorus they can sing along to, or they just want something else. Let's face it. But I really like this, and like I say, I get the feeling it's like, I don't know. I really haven't looked. I get the feeling it's like somewhere in the middle of this album, and it's part of something bigger. That's how it feels. That's why it comes across to me. No doubt 1,000 EPICA fans are going to turn up and tell me I'm right or wrong, in a very polite and constructive way. Let me know what you think, though. This album's out now, Omega. It wasn't out, obviously, when I did the song last time, and last October it was so far out. I mean, I'm sure I said on that video, this album's not out till next year, folks. Well, it's out. Now it's out. So go and get it. Let me know what you think. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.